Assalamualaikum. Good morning.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good afternoon each and everyone. My name is Mujahid Salam Malamumpong, representing of grade 8. And I believe that saying that the mind is in the brain, not in the clothes. And I think.